jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Good morning, everybody. Today is December 23rd, so the day before Christmas Eve. And I've been home for like almost a week. Like I got home on Saturday, like last Saturday, and today's Friday. So yeah, it's been honestly so nice to just enjoy some time with my family and see all my friends. And I also had like kind of a lot of Christmas preparation things to do, and I still have to get some stuff done today. And I also had to do some preparations for something very exciting that I'm doing in January that I still haven't told you, but stay tuned. And yeah, so today I'm just gonna have like a festive little vlog for you guys, like the day before Christmas, because like I said, I still have to do some things. Like I want to wrap all my Christmas presents. I have to pack because we're going to visit my grandparents and my family tomorrow, and we're gonna stay there for a few days. So yeah, I have to pack, wrap presents. I'm actually about to have a nice like little festive breakfast with my parents. I have to go prepare my own vegan food because they're having eggs and stuff. So I'm thinking about making a tofu scramble. And then I'm also meeting my friends today. It's just gonna be a fun little day before Christmas. And by the way, this is my little mini Christmas tree in my room. My mom set it up for me. It's so cute. When I got home, my room looked so nice, and like they cleaned up perfectly. My bed, like I had fresh sheets, and this Christmas tree was here, and like a self-made advent calendar for the rest of the days that I'm here for December. And that's just so cute. It has been like a really wholesome time here. But before I start making breakfast, I wanted to accessorize a little bit for the day and see what jewelry we're feeling today. This song is stuck in my head. This could be more even. You know what? Okay, let's see. So I definitely want earrings. So I got sent some new jewelry from Ana Luisa, my favorite jewelry brand. I got these ones new from Ana Luisa. They're like, I always get like pretty simple stuff because I like just jewelry that you can wear with anything. I'm actually gonna put them on so you can see better, but like, is this going to work? Hello? So yeah, this is what they look like. I believe they're called the Venus earrings. And yeah, like I said, I really like just simple jewelry that you can wear with anything and like not think about it. Just put in the same earrings every morning. And these are like, I feel like these are the perfect combination of like two other pairs I have, because they're not too small, not too big. And yeah, I think my favorite jewelry pieces are rings. And so I picked out two new rings again, and I love them. Okay, so this is the first ring that I picked out. I think it's so cute. It's like it hugs your finger, you know. This is called the Evan ring. Everything's on sale right now, by the way, so if you want to get any of this, you better do it now. But then I got another ring, a black stone, really cute. So this one's called Reese Onyx. I don't know how to say it, but finally a ring that fits on my ring finger, because like rings are always too big for my ring finger, so I just wear them. Hello? Yeah, rings are always too big for my ring finger, so I always wear them like on my index finger. But yeah, I feel like you already know like all the reasons why I love Ana Luisa. Like I've told you so many times, but yeah, I just wanted to show you both of the rings again. So yeah, here are both of the rings. I love Ana Luisa because they're sustainable. They use recycled gold. All their jewelry lasts forever. Every single piece I've gotten from them still looks brand new, and I wear this shit a lot. Now I think I should really go make some breakfast before my parents eat without me. Right now though, I'm making a little scrambled tofu situation. It doesn't look that good right now because it's like sticking to the pan, but I think it's gonna be really good. Tofu scramble, avocado, and attempt at sweet potato toast, but I didn't have that much time, so I think it's still kind of raw, so that's amazing.
Vorsicht, der Teller ist auch warm.
my parents' breakfast. Smoothie. Look at our beautiful Advent thing that came yesterday. Woo! Bon appétit, Papa.
Bon appétit, chérie.
Bon appétit, Mama. Bon appetito. Taste test. This is the little Advent calendar that my mom made. Since today is the 23rd, it's like all gone, basically. But this was, I think this was in it like yesterday. It's like hazelnut butter bites. These are really yummy. But this is the number 23. So let's open it together. So far it's all been like vegan snacks and like chocolate and candy and stuff. So I have a feeling this might be in the same category. I literally knew it was gonna be this brand of chocolate. It's the Lindt Hello popcorn chocolate. Okay, now we're gonna open this one. I got this when I came back from Milan, so like I still haven't opened 7. Like I'm literally on number 7, I think. So let's try to open it. Okay, I got it. I don't know what it is. Like leaves. Mistletoe, I don't know. The other day I made cookies with my friends from uni, and we didn't really have a lot to decorate, to be honest, so they are very unique. I already ate like all the ones with chocolate because they were really good. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you. This one is kind of cute. Wait. Oh yeah, this one is kind of cute. But yeah. And then yesterday I also did some baking with my mom. She made these like really good gingerbread cookies that are vegan with like a matcha glaze. The one she sent me. Look at our cute little Christmas tree. I love. This is what I made yesterday. It looks shitty, okay? But it's like it's also kind of like gingerbread inspired. And I'm gonna cut it into squares. And I wanted to do like a design with goji berries, but then I was like, it looks kind of ugly, so I stopped and only did 3 with that. But I think it tastes really good. It's just not really, it's not really gingerbread, but it tastes good, so it's okay. I will now be wrapping Christmas presents while watching Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Let's do it. These are like the calendars that I make for my family every year. Like, it's a tradition that I make one with photos for my dad every Christmas. I also started making them for my grandparents because I really liked them. Here's my face. Now my mom said I should put it as a cover because she said my dad's gonna like it, so. This is January. Snow, I love. February is a photo of my mom because it's from my grandparents. Then March, when I went on a little trip with my friends. So we're on the way to the Christmas market right now. The Christmas market was closed, so change of plans. We're not at a different Christmas place, and it's indoors. I think that's better. Oh, danke.
Ist es vegan? Ja. Also das ist weniger Zucker als normalerweise und das Zucker ist auch rote Beete-Zucker.
Mama, wie findest du es?
Sehr bitte.
We're now at a different Christmas market thing. And it's so cute. I love it here.
Das war Schockabend.
Ich war erst auch ein bisschen. Ja.
Oh, das ist toll.
Dieser Wagen sieht auch voll cool aus. Vegan. Ich weiß gar nicht, wo ich rein weiß.
Hast du schon eine Zeitgruppe gemacht? Das Feuer? Wie geil?
Hello, so I just got home and I had like vegan bratwurst, which was really good, but now my stomach hurts because I'm not used to eating gluten. But yeah, now I'm about to go meet my friends for a little game night. So I want to end the video before I go. I hope you liked it. It was just like a homey, cozy vibe, and yeah. It's nice being home. I really am so happy to be here. I will see you soon. I hope you have happy holidays and happy new year and everything. And also don't forget to check out Ana Luisa here at the jewelry pieces once again. I think this one's my favorite. Definitely make sure to click my link with them in the description. See you soon.